Understood? Okay, I love it. Y'all are my youngest, but my hardest workers. There we go. Jump, baby boy. Boom, let's go, jump. Boom, let's go, jump. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Get him up, let's move. Get him up, let's move. Get him up, let's move, coach. Work. And shut it down. 2 little arms. Y'all are running like this, which means you're not going to get there. So try it again with a little bit more speed.
Run. That's slow.
Come on, Lay.
Go, Lay. Come on.
Lean forward. Put that jacket down. Give me this jacket. Give me this jacket. Proper form. Well, we're racist. Guess what? As you go here, you got to think. Look up there and think I'm almost there. So I got to go harder. I got to go deeper. I got to do better. I got to be stronger, 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 stronger. And thrust. Thrust. Come on, get that knee up. Proper form. Thrust.